What's up, you guys? Welcome to my closet. So basically, I'm showing you how to pack your suitcase and your carry-on for like a short trip so that you can fit everything in there and not overpack. Basically, I'm just going to be showing you some of my personal tips and tricks that I use for going on a road trip, but they can be used just the same for an airplane. I don't have any large items or like liquids over 3 ounces or whatever, so you could use this just the same for that. I'm having a lot of trouble filming in my house today. It's like 6 o'clock and my family is just being so freaking loud, and so I'm not sure how to go about filming this video and getting good audio where you can't hear people in the background. I'll try to go film out there, that might be better. But yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I pack. I'm going on a little vacation. I'm super excited. It's gonna be basically 2 nights and 3 days, which is not that long, obviously, but a vacation is a vacation, okay? I'll take what I can get. Yeah, I'm gonna vlog while I'm there. Hopefully I'll get some good footage and then I can show it to you guys. I'm so excited. I'm going somewhere that I've been wanting to go for a while, and there's some places there that I just like cannot wait to see. Yeah, I hope you guys find this useful and get some good tips out of it. Maybe you'll be able to implement them next time you go on a vacation. I honestly kind of usually enjoy packing. I know that's weird because everyone hates it, but I don't go on many trips, so I get so excited whenever I do, and I just like want to start packing as soon as I can. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I'm bringing along with me. Stay tuned to see. So one really important thing when it comes to packing for a trip is making a list. That way you can ensure that you don't leave off anything important. I printed off this right here. I'll show you. So I just like went on Google and searched packing list, and this one came up. I think this is a pretty good one. I haven't like officially checked it off yet, but I will like the day before I leave or whatever. But before I printed that one off, I kind of like wrote out my list just as a rough draft. So whatever you do, just make sure you write it all down so then you know for sure. And then I would like check it off the day you're leaving or like the night before. Check everything off just to make sure you have it all. Okay, so let's get down to it. My room is such a disaster right now, solely because I'm filming this video. Like, there's clothes all over the floor in front of me and just everything's a mess. I'm a mess. But I guess I'm gonna go ahead and like show you all the items I'm bringing first, and then I'll show you how I like pack them into my suitcase and whatnot. So it's supposed to be pretty hot while we're gonna be there. It's gonna be like in the 80s for the most part, and it's supposed to rain on 2 of the days. There's like a chance of rain, but yeah, so I'm kind of like bringing things to prepare for that. I'm also bringing clothes that are going to be comfy because I'm all about comfy, and we're not really going anywhere fancy, so I don't need to dress up too much for any reason. Okay, so in total I'm bringing 4 shirts, but one of them is for sleeping, so that doesn't really count. So this is one that I can dress up or dress down. And then this is just more like a casual t-shirt that I like to wear. And then this one is definitely casual. I got this at Target. I think it was $15, but it's so cute, right? Like, girl, look at that. And then I'm packing this for sleeping. It's a ginormous t-shirt. I think it's a large in men's, so it's really big on me. And then for pants, I'm bringing 1 pair of jeans. So these are my fancy pants. That's my fancy, is jeans. I don't even know if I'm gonna wear these, to be honest. Like, I really should wear them for like going out to dinner or something, but we'll see if that happens. And then I have just a pair of black leggings. I love these so much. They're from Aerie. It's like the athletic kind. Very comfy. And then here is like some capri leggings. They look really wrinkly and weird, but once you have them on, you can't tell. What is a vacation without Norts? Classic black and white. I think that's the best one. And then these are my sleep shorts. 3 bras. Okay, I have 2 pairs of like ugly socks because they're comfortable. And then here's a pair of no-show
socks
for if I am feeling bougie. And I'm bringing 4 pairs of underwear because you never know what can happen when you're a woman, at least. Okay, so I guess face masks are kind of considered clothing, right? Basically, it's like underwear now. You can't go anywhere without it. So I'm bringing 4 face masks. Does that make sense? 24, 25, 26. Now I'm so confused. I don't know, but I'm bringing 4 face masks. So there's that. This one is Rugrats. How adorable. I used to love that show. And then my Ariana Grande mask. I think these are boring. Okay, shoes. I'm going for comfort on the shoes as well. These are my gross, dirty Nikes. They're my favorite. They're just like so comfortable and they fit so good. And then I have some Reebok sneakers. Very cute, very trendy. These are not as comfortable, but I think they're more like, not fancy, but like they're less casual. Okay, now for more like toiletry items. First thing is my headband for like washing my face. It's an essential for me. I get so messy. And then in here is all of my toiletries. So I have my body wash, shampoo, conditioner, hand soap. I want to have antibacterial hand soap in my hotel, not just like that bar soap they give you. And then argan oil, moisturizer, and then face wash. That's like the really, oh yeah, and also my toothbrush and my toothpaste. That's like the core hygiene items. There's a few that are going to be in my purse, or like that will be your carry-on bag or whatever. Also some deodorant. Here is my makeup bag. It's just like the essential items. I don't want to be spending too much time doing my makeup on vacation. I'm gonna have like a few medicines in my bag just because I like to be overly prepared just in case when it comes to my body. I never know what to expect. Like, what if you eat bad food? You might need Pepto-Bismol, which is in here. And then this one has my daily vitamins in it. This is some Tums. I just put it in a Ziploc bag because I ran out of those little pill containers. And then here is some gummy vitamins. These are elderberry. They're just for your immune system. I want to take them while I'm on vacation just in case, you know. And then I have some prescription medicine. Oh yeah, I also have scissors because you literally never know when you're gonna need to cut something. An essential. Okay, and now moving on to my bag that I'll be carrying around. Not like the whole time, but just like I'll have it in the car. And yeah, it's just easy to carry a purse whenever you're using a suitcase instead of a backpack. This is pretty big though, like it can fit a lot of stuff. It's all wrinkled because it's been sitting in my closet, but I'm gonna fix it. So in here, first, this is weird, but I have another bag in here because this will be a lot easier to use whenever I'm on the go, going into like so many different places. We're gonna be going to the zoo. That's just one of the random places we're going to, and this will be really good for that. I have a first aid kit in here because I like to be overly prepared. There's band-aids, alcohol, wipes, Neosporin, and some allergy pills, which looks really sus, but it's not. It's funny. A mini lint roller, a hairbrush, an umbrella for that rain. I like to always have an umbrella, honestly. Some pepper spray, which like if you're flying, obviously you can't have this, but I'm not, so. I have 2 things of hand sanitizer. I'm gonna be using that a lot. Floss picks, and then I carry ibuprofen and, how do you pronounce that?
Acetaminophen.
I carry both of those because whenever you have a period, sometimes you need both. Some gum, and then a pen and some post-it notes just in case I need to write anything down. A portable charger. I also will have my Apple Watch charger and my iPhone charger in my carry-on, but they're still plugged into the wall. Hair ties, chapstick, a mirror, also my perfume, Clorox wipes. I think I'm gonna take this whole thing with me. That's one of those things where if you're on a plane, you wouldn't be able to take this in your carry-on. You could take it if you like put some in a Ziploc or something or whatever, as long as it's less than 3 ounces, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna be using these before I touch literally anything, so I'm really glad I have these. I wouldn't travel without these right now. I can't remember if I already said this, but bringing a rain jacket for the rain. Okay, so now we're gonna see how I can fit this all in the suitcase nicely. Okay guys, so this is how everything pretty much ended up. I put all of the non-clothing items over here. Oh, dang it. I meant to take out the rain jacket. Here's like my shoes, my toiletries, my makeup, and I need to take this out because I think it's gonna rain on the way there. Other than that, all the clothes fit over here like perfectly. I could have fit more if I needed to, but these are looking good. Yeah, I shouldn't have to worry about putting stuff I buy in here because I can just like put it in the car we're taking. And then there's just my bag with all that stuff in there. Not bad if you ask me. Okay, you guys, so it's much later at this point. If you can't tell by my appearance, I am so tired. I don't even feel good. Like, I eat too much sugar and so now I'm like sick. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you learned something from it and it will help you out in the future maybe, or if you're going on vacation soon or just a short little trip like me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to see more strange closet content in the future, you know. Bye.